In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SVG icons to Squarespace. If you want more control over the look of your icons and prefer using custom SVG code, instead of relying on built-in options, Squarespace makes that possible with a code block. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact process so you can place your SVG icon directly onto a page and edit it as needed. To begin, open the Squarespace page section where you want the icon to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on Add block. This is where you'll insert a new content block into the page. Squarespace offers many different block types, so the next step is to quickly narrow down the list. In the search field, type code. This helps you find the code block faster instead of scrolling through all available options. As you type, Squarespace will filter the results and show the matching block type. When you see it, click on code. That will insert a code block into your page. This block is what allows you to paste custom HTML, CSS, or SVG markup directly into Squarespace. For this tutorial, we're using it specifically to add an SVG icon. After the code block appears on the page, click the pencil icon to edit it. The pencil icon opens the block settings where you can enter or update the code inside the block. This is the area where your SVG markup will go, so make sure you're editing the correct block before moving forward. Now paste the code into the editor. This should be the SVG code for the icon you want to display. Once it's pasted in, Squarespace will use that code to render the icon on the page. If your icon doesn't look quite right at first, double check that the SVG code is complete and properly formatted, since even a small missing character can affect how it displays. A helpful tip here is to preview the page after pasting your code so you can confirm the icon appears at the right size and in the right location. If needed, you can go back into the code block and adjust the SVG code until it matches the look you want. That's all it takes to add SVG icons to Squarespace. You click Add block, search for the code block, insert it, open the editor with the pencil icon, and paste in your SVG code. Once you've done it a couple of times, this becomes a very quick and flexible way to customize your site's design.